welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we will show you how to remove or how to replace the engine computer, the ECU on Chevy Cruze, guys. And I think the video will be helpful on Chevy Sonic as well. Both vehicles share the same engine, so please guys subscribe to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos taking this car apart. Our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So please guys, give a subscribe in return. All the mechanical videos, guys, will be on this channel here, guys, and more electrical video testing components and all that stuff could be found on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please give a subscribe there as well. So when you open the hood, guys, even if you have the 1.4 or the 1.8 engine, it shouldn't matter. Okay, you're going to notice next to your car battery, you're going to find your engine computer right here. Now, the thing about it, before you remove the engine computer, you will need to disconnect your car battery, and we'll show you the correct way to do that. So guys, it's important how you disconnect your car battery. Now we need to disconnect, we'll need to disconnect the negative post first, and we need to get a 10mm socket. Get it loose, pull it up, and disconnect it. Second, we need to disconnect, the positive post right here. So this one again is with 10mm socket. Let me see if we can. Let me open this thing here, and we can get it up because it's in the way a little bit. This fuse box, you need to slide it like that. Make sure that this one doesn't touch. What I'll do, I'll close it like that. Perfect. Battery is disconnected. Now, what guys we need to do? This is your engine computer, right here. So, we need to remove 2 nuts on top, 2 on bottom. But before we do that, I'm going to disconnect all the cables and I'll explain what needs to be done. Now, on this cable, guys, right here, you can see that red thing, that's your safety pin. So, pull it back. Let me grab a screwdriver. And I'll show you. Pull it back like that. We're waiting for the camera person to get ready here. Now, need to, right here now, need to press down and slide that thing over. Slide it until the cables are loose. We need to continue with the next one. Down here, slide that red thing out. And this thing did break a little bit, so we need to be careful. I need to get a small screwdriver to pull it out. So you can see now this one, I'll just pry it like that a little bit. With the small screwdriver, press in, come this way. We'll have a video, guys, on our channel, how to program engine computers as well. So make sure you check it out. Now I have one more on the bottom. This one is a little bit hard to get to. So what I'll do for this one, I'm going to remove the engine computer now with a 10mm, and I'll flip it up so I can actually pry it easier. You can see these nuts. When you get them loose, they go by hand pretty easy. This is the second nut here. Now, on the bottom, 2 more. And then this is the third one, and I just have one more to remove all the way. And we should be able to pull that guy out of there. Okay, perfect. grab it, pull it up. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect this wire because I'm afraid that I'm going to break this one too. Okay, like that. Now push down, slide that thing over. Okay, move it a couple times because it has sand and dust in it. Okay, still a little bit stuck here. Okay, perfect. It came out, guys. This is your engine computer out of the car. Putting it together is in reverse order. We have a video how to program one as well. Make sure you check it out. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.